Hi, how are you? We're going to talk about and help you with courage when you need someone to believe in you. And all you need is just that one person in your life. And what that is that? Your friend. When you have someone that got your back, that's there for you, that gives you encouragement. Hey, I can do anything because you got that. Because you know in your head, you got a best friend. You got a friend that's there for you. You can always count on that friend. Because without that friend, you're on your own. A lot of people, a lot of us are on our own. Sometimes you want, hey, I want that friendship they got. I want that marriage they got, that relationship they got. But they work hard at it. That ain't easy. They gotta work hard at it. And you gotta work hard at it too. I mean, we all do. You're not the only one. Everyone struggles. To make things work, you have to work hard. If you don't work hard, you can't succeed. And if you can't succeed, what's the purpose? The purpose is to have someone that got your back. Someone that cares about you. Someone that's willing to help you. Helping you with whatever it is that you have going on. When you need that one person in your life that got your back. That person that cares about you. And say, hey, I got your back. I'm there for you. And that's what I say to all of you. I'm there for you. I'm there 24/7. I'm not going anywhere. I'm right here on this channel. I start from scratch. And we help you. Help you. As a Reiki master, help you. Help you and also be your friend as well. You need a friend. When last can you say, hey, I got a close friend. I got somebody that watches my back. You know, I have so much going on in my life. I got the stress, the anxiety, the anger, the frustration, the procrastination. You don't have no courage. Because without courage, you can't do anything. Can you jump into a swimming pool from that high level trampoline? You go in, diving boards, I do. You jump up and down, and you can dive. You're scared. But you have that one friend that has that encouragement saying, yes, you can do it. Do it. You trained hard to do it. Don't give up now. The final meet. Get your award. Say you're in the Olympics and you want to get a gold medal. But you're scared. You're afraid. How can I do it? Yes, you can. You train hard. And you got your friend right by your side. Giving you that encouragement to do it. You need that friend. You need somebody other than the family. You need a friend. A friend is a very important aspect in your life. Because without this friend, there's no one to give you that encouragement to do things. No matter what you're doing in your life, you need a friend that got your back. Someone's there for you always. But right now, you're feeling you don't have that. Pull out. What am I doing? Let's take out any negative energy around us. That's what I do. But I'm listening to you. Listen, you're not the only one. Everybody goes through this. I've gone through it. I'm sure you have gone through it too. You might be going through it now. A lot of people say, hey, I'd rather live on my own. I don't have anybody telling me what to do. And I'm all right with that. But deep down, you know, it's not true. You're not all right with that. You wish you had somebody you can talk to. Someone that you can share stories with, laugh together, watch a movie together. It's hard to watch a movie by yourself. And enjoy it. Maybe you can get away with it, but you really need somebody. Someone that's there with you. Someone you know you can rely on. And that's what we all seek. We don't have the blueprints to know who is our friend, who is our partner. We don't have that. we have to what? Work hard at it. And that's what I'm doing with you right now. Working hard on you. Get you, have that encouragement. Get you motivated. Get you going in your life. You might be just sitting there and saying, I can't take it anymore. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Yes, you can. Yes, you can do more than to sit there and saying gloom and you give up. Don't give up. You're precious. You have a purpose. I'm your friend. Sure, I'm not physically there, but I'm here. You have me on your device. You know, a lot of you might have cars today that I was a little surprised. The rental that we have, we can play my video in the video and watch it or hear it. That's amazing. You know, to me it is. I said, wow, I can't even do it on my own vehicle. Wow, it can work. Yeah, you can watch and listen. You can take me while you're driving. And you got a friend. This one is, this session is a little, how do you say it? It runs deep. You know? When you have a friend, you can share your inner thoughts. They got your back. Imagine, they got your back. That means they're there for you. They give you that encouragement. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can make this happen. You need that. Maybe you can't, I can't go in front of everybody. Yes, you can. You go in front and talk. Get on that podium and talk. Don't be afraid. But you know why you shouldn't be afraid? Because you got a friend. You got someone that got your back. You need someone. Somebody that can clap you on, encourage you. Congratulations. There's all your functions there with you. When your friend needs a favor and you're at work, do you tell the friend, hey, I know I can't get to you right now, I'm at work. But they will, if they can, they would go up to that boss or maybe they're in charge of the business and say, hey, I'll be back in a few, I gotta take care of, I have a friend problem. Your friend is important. They might need your help. They might call you. They might have fallen down by accident or hurt themselves. They called you for help. They might be shoveling some snow and they run up against ice and they tripped and fall and they can't walk. They call you. They don't call 911. 911 is our emergency. Every country is different. But like I said, they might call you because they figure you will come out to help. Yes, you're going to help your friend. Why wouldn't you? You're there for them. You help them. Help them feel better. You know, it's a lot. A lot of us don't realize, take it for granted, that someone is out there that really cares about you other than yourself. Yeah, sure, you can do self-care. So you can do everything about self-care. But you need somebody. You need that person in your life. All you need is that one person. That one person that got your back. You got to work hard on it. And you grow. Sometimes that friendship leads to more than friends. See? You go from that friend stage to a relationship. Then you go from a relationship to an engagement. And then from an engagement to what? A marriage. But let's not get that far ahead. Let's work on what you got. You got a friendship. And sometimes friends could be more than friends, like I said. But right now, you're working on a friendship. You're working on you because you need courage. Without courage, you can't do nothing. You might have confidence, right? But if you don't have courage, you can't do anything. You're still gonna be scared. You're gonna be fearing things. You're gonna be scared and frightened because no encouragement. It needs someone to back you up. Just like the football players. You got cheerleaders. They're cheering them on. They're giving them encouragement. Go, team, go, go. You know, you can do it. Yeah, coach yelling at you. Come on, do it, do it. It's encouragement. Coach might not be your friend, but, you know, technically he'll say, I'm your friend. Yeah. And you always can go to the coach if you had a problem. You know, other than your family and your folks and, you know, your girlfriend or boyfriend, whatever you got. you know, it's always good to have an outside friend, someone that cares about you. You talk to them on the phone. One day you get to meet them. It's a different kind of feeling when you meet in person. It's all good because you already know the person. You know all about the person, but you don't know how the person. And you might not know what they look like. You might talk on video chat. You know, what I'm saying is, you're ready for that person. That's your friend. That's your best friend. That's a friend that knows all about you, and you've done so much together, but never in person. And you finally get the time to go meet them for the first time, and you might get cold feet. Cold feet means you can't do it, but you need that encouragement. And the friend will encourage you. Come on, you can do it. Because they have to do the same thing you do. And they got cold feet. If you both got cold feet, nobody's going nowhere to meet no one. See? But like I said, all of this takes that inner you. The inner you that you got in there. That energy that you got in there. This would involve the heart. This would involve the crown. And your speaking involves the voice. Yeah. Sometimes it involves the sacral because... it's your gut feeling. Listen, with me, I'm your friend. With me, I got your back. I got your back. I can heal you. I can help you. I can motivate you. I can get you better than where you are. And that's what all this is about. Reiki is to help you, motivate you, help you with life, help you with physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. Whatever it is that's troubling you. Right now, there's not really much negativity in this because we're talking to you for encouragement. You got to feel encouraged to do things. And when you have encouragement, you can do a lot more. Confidence, encouragement work together. You have the confidence to take on that, but you have the encouragement to fulfill what you have to do and the confidence. I'm confident that I can do it. But by the time to go do it, you don't have the courage. So you have both of them working together. You see how that works together now? But you still need that one person in your life that has that, can give you both courage, confidence, and courage. Because you need that. And push you to do it too. Because that brings up procrastination. Can keep you back from doing anything. And, there's so much stuff that it gets involved. And people have to kind of cope. But like I said, that couple, they work on it. They're friends. They have to work on it. People give up. If something goes wrong and it doesn't work out, they back out. Why they back out? Oh, this is not working out. I can't take it like that. I want a perfect life. There's no life that's perfect. There's always something going on in life. And you got to understand that. I understand that. I know that. Hey. You got to stay open-minded and get things going. I hope that these 3 sessions that I'm releasing today will help you. By the way, you'll get 3 more today as well. Well, I can't. It's early morning here, but oh yeah. Hey, gotta get these out. Gotta help you on this channel because you all need something. You all come here for something. Encouragement, confidence, and a friend. What's more to ask? Listen, whatever it is that's troubling you, let me see if I can help you. Get you back where you need to be. You got the healing. Every time I talk, you get healed. It's true. You feel it. And those of you out there already know. If you say, yes, I accept this healing session, you feel it. Okay? See, with encouragement, there's fear. Okay, another one, overcoming fear, but this is more for healing you, for courage, for feeling courage. You have to feel the courage, and you got to do the things that reflect courage. You gotta feel it. If you got courage, man, you got it. When you have courage, you can do so much. Confidence, courage, they work together. And you got a friend. And a friend helps you, motivates you. So you can do things. Jump in that pool right now and start swimming and get to the finish line. That's encouragement. And you got the confidence. You have the confidence and encouragement. And you got a friend. You got 3 things. That friend helps you. Gets you motivated. Gets you moving. I want you to take a deep breath right now. Okay, let the golden light shine on top of your crown. Let it push down, all the way down, down to the ground. Hold it there. Lift it back up, feeling through, going through you. How do you feel? And that green is coming to you. You feel that green feeling coming to you right now. Do you feel it? You feel it coming to you right now. You feel that energy that's there. I send you that energy. I send you the light of encouragement. I send you the light to have all you need is that one special person in your life. I send you the light of confidence. So you have confidence, encouragement, and you have that one special person that backs all those up. Hey, I'm helping you feel that healing. Don't feel fear. Don't feel stress. Don't feel confusement. You got someone for yourself helping you. When things go wrong, you got somebody. When things go right, you see what happens. It goes right. You gotta work on these different aspects of life. Okay? Let me send you give you the healing symbol. Protection symbol. I want you to also smell some of this. This is lavender and jasmine. Smell. Okay, good. Get it in your system. Wipe your hands with it. There's no negativity in this one because this is more for personal preference. You want to experience some confidence and encouragement because you need somebody to believe in you. When you have someone to believe in you and back you up, you can do so much. One friend to believe in you. It's powerful. It's your life. Everything works in harmony. Okay? Hey, thanks for watching. I'm going to use the black tourmaline again to protect you and give you that encouragement you need. Hey. Watch the session again and again to get that encouragement, to feel you're not alone. Okay? Take care.